Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Tech News. My name is Gaurav, and before we start today's episode, please make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I post a video. And now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 has been in the news for a long time, and a lot of rumors and leaks about this watch are coming out. Due to the past recent leaks, we got to know that this watch may be coming with two different styles, that is 41mm dial size and another 45mm dial size. Now recently, Ivan Glass on Twitter made a leak suggesting that the watch may be coming on July with a specific date, mentioning that this might be launching on July 22nd, that is Wednesday. Since there are a lot of rumors and leaks about this watch, some rumors suggest that this watch may be coming with 8GB of internal storage and 1GB of RAM, which is going to be GPS enabled and 5 ATM water resistant with MIL STD 810G certification. Since these are just rumors and leaks about the Galaxy Watch 3 and Samsung has not made an official announcement yet about the development of the watch, we are not quite certain if the rumors are going to be true or not. But if you want to get latest updates on anything regarding smartphone and everything, I'll leave my link to my Instagram below. Go follow me over there. Smartphone companies have made their debut in truly wireless earphones, but Oneplus has never made an initiative in making truly wireless earphones. Their last wireless earpiece was the Bullet 2. It is high time that Oneplus finally unveils a truly wireless earphones, and there are rumors that are suggesting that it is going to happen quite soon. The leaks that are getting attention for the Oneplus earbuds are that they are going to be completely black in color. Not just the charging case, which is going to be black, but even the earbuds are going to be black in color. An image was shared on Twitter by a previous leaker who already leaked the Oneplus Bullet Z, but this time this guy shared a picture of a charging case which reveals the earbuds themselves. They seem to have an in-ear design with the similar aluminum pressure pack design that was previously seen in the OnePlus Bullets 2. While we do not know anything about these earbuds, it is expected that it is going to be coming out on sale alongside the OnePlus Nord in July. Chingari, an alternative app for the TikTok, has seen a lot of surge recently due to the TikTok ban announcement. This app, being a TikTok alternative, has crossed over 25 lakh downloads recently. Chingari App server went down yesterday due to high download rate. As of the time of making this video, this app has over 1 million downloads. This app was founded by two Bangalore programmers, Biswatma Nayak and Siddharth Gautam. It was first launched on Google Play in November 2018, and it made its debut in iOS on Jan 2019. The users of this app get points based on the views, and the users can redeem these points in the form of real money. So this was a short tech news video. I hope you like this format of videos. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here, and I will see you guys in the next video.